Hey guys, it's me Sam here today, and today we are going to be playing with the Darth Vader palette from Colourpop. I know I'm super late to the game. I've just been so lazy guys, and I hope you can relate, but if not, here it is. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sam. I'm a makeup enthusiast. Makeup is my therapy, and if you feel the same way, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can come back and see more content with me. So we're going to create 2 looks with this palette. This is one of them, and I'm going to create another one. In the end, I'm going to show you some swatches and give you kind of my review. So let's get started. Alright, my eye is already primed. So the first shade we're going to go into is the center shade Imperial Force. It's kind of a taupe. And I'm kind of bringing that just above the crease. Then we're going to go into the shade Sith Lord, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Very pretty and pigmented, which I love. I'm slowly just bringing that into the crease, pulling it forward and blending it at the same time. Those two colors look really pretty together. Alright, then I want to take a Gone Galactic, which is this brown shade here. Wow, that's really pretty. And then we're going to take Stormtrooper on the inner corner. Alright, I'm going to do the other side and finish the look. I'm quite happy. Alright, we're going to do the second look. This is going to be probably the look we've seen most people have done already. So the first shade that we're going to go in with is this one right here. It is Battle Station. Alright, just above the crease. I want this to be soft, so I'm using this really big fluffy brush. I'm really buffing the edges. So I'm quite happy with that kind of shape I've created. I'm going to take a smaller one and go into the crease. So with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the shade Empire, which is more of like a charcoal gray. Very pigmented, and there's some kick up in the pan. I'm trying to keep it in the crease, just lightly blend. I'm taking that first brush with no extra product and just blending the two together where they meet a little bit more. That first shade looked pretty gray, but now that you see in comparison with that other gray, you can kind of see that it's a little warmer, almost like it has a taupey brown to it as opposed to like the cool tone. Now we're taking an even smaller brush with lint on it, and we're going to go into the dark side. And put that here in the outer part of the lid, but I'm going to try to keep it on the lid. This one also has kick up in the pan, but it goes on real nice. The red shimmer is kind of brushing away, but that's kind of to be expected with shades like that. And you can see the fallout that I got there, but I don't mind it. That's why I did my eyes first. So now I'm gonna take the shade I Am the Master. It should say Now I'm the Master, but let's not be picky. And I'm gonna put that on the center. And just a little bit towards the inner part of the lid. I mean, that looks super pretty and it blends into the black real nice. Super easy. Now we're gonna take Death Star, which is like a gunmetal gray, and put that in that little inner third. And I know it's kind of dark, but I just want to put it on my inner corner. I don't know why. So we're gonna do that. Just adding a little more red. And now I cleaned the brush off. I'm just gonna blend the two by dragging the brush back and forth. So that's how it looks so far. I'm gonna finish off the face and then I will come back. Okay guys, this is it, the end of the video, and you've seen the two looks. I actually wore that first look all day long, and it is now into the evening hours when I created this look here. I have to say I used every single shade in the palette and it was absolutely amazing. It's for sure one of my favorite Colourpop palettes, not just because of the Star Wars theme, and I'm a big Star Wars fan, but also because the quality of the shadows are amazing. And I ended up liking this color story a lot more than I thought I was gonna like it. I've been really impressed with these palettes and I'm so happy that I picked this up. I do wish that they came out with like a red lip to come with this palette, but I'm not gonna hate on it because I'm quite happy. I'm gonna insert here some swatches of the shadows. I've also done videos already with the first two palettes, the Mandalorian and the Child palette. I will put those in the description box, and if you haven't already seen them, in the eye of the video. But yes, I am quite happy with this palette. I'm so excited to see what they're going to come out next. I hope they continue this journey of Star Wars. It makes me really, really happy and excited. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate your time. And yeah, have a good night. Love you. Bye.